Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you the simplest way to import video files into Adobe Premiere Pro CC if you're a filmmaker, a content creator or a YouTuber. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video where I'll show you my secret hack of importing these files more quickly within Adobe Premiere Pro. Yoga everybody, I'm Ray Moses. First things first, let's head over to Premiere Pro CC, and without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first method to import your video files into Adobe Premiere Pro CC is drag and drop. And here you simply open up two Finder windows on Mac or File Explorer on PC, and the first window will be of Premiere Pro CC and the other will be of your file on your Mac or your PC. So basically what I always do, I arrange these files into folders to simplify my workflow and make media management pretty easy and smooth. If you wanna learn how to arrange your files before importing them into any video editing software, please watch the video right here. And also I'll provide the link down in my description. So once you're done finding these files, you simply hold, drag and drop these files into the project bin in Adobe Premiere Pro, and boom, you're good to rock and roll. Your files will be imported in Adobe Premiere Pro, and right away we are ready to select, edit and cut our videos. Secondly is the traditional way, and here you go to File and locate where your file are located at on a Mac or PC or your external hard drive. Or you can use the shortcut Command-I on Mac and Control-I on PC, and this will pop up the import menu. Then you can locate and select where your footage is located at, and then click OK, and boom, all your files will be imported right into Adobe Premiere Pro CC, and you'll be ready to rock and roll and automatically edit your video files. If you're new here and this video is adding value to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell right below to stay updated whenever I upload new content in relation to filmmaking, editing, photography and self-development. Finally, my secret hack to importing these files more quickly within Adobe Premiere Pro. We shall import our files by using the media browser on the project panel right here. So what I'm gonna do is to locate my files on the Mac, PC or external hard drive. For this case, I'm going to use the external hard drive. I'll go ahead and open the files where they're located at in my external hard drive, highlight this folder, then click on OK. This will import all my footage into Adobe Premiere Pro. And just like that, we are ready to rock and roll. We are ready to boom, edit our videos. We are ready to color grade our videos. We are ready to export our videos. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about importing files into Adobe Premiere Pro CC simplified. To learn how I arrange my files into folders before importing them into Adobe Premiere Pro CC or any other editing software, watch this next video. Thank you so much. Love you all. Peace. See you in the next video.